The next technology I discovered was Evernote.com. This is an app and also web-based. It is user-friendly and free, provides templates for note-taking or the ability to upload notes from a course in order for the student to edit them. It provides input reminder tasks for assignments or quizzes, and also sets up a calendar for the student to be able to organize their schedule and their class due dates. The underlying reason or purpose that I would want to implement this type of technology is that it would be providing a technology that promotes organization for notes, schedules, allows easy and systematic learning experience for students. Those coming directly out of high school sometimes do not know how to organize their schedule or to take correct notes. So by implementing this type of technology, that would really help. The audience, again, for me is going to be first and second year radiology technology students. Again, that does include those coming directly out of high school sometimes, but also adult learners. So just kind of getting them back in the habit of being organized. So taking a look at the app itself, you provide notes here. You can make a new note. You can, this is a new note that I have created, but also here is a note that I have uploaded from my current course. So learning about the upper GI system and small bowel follow through. This would be the notes that I give them. They can click on this, fill in the information. They can also create a task. So here I've created a task for a quiz. So let's say I wanted to do a quiz for this. I would click in here, click on the add task button. That opens this up. They could then just input the word quiz, say that that's going to be due tomorrow, and then that is going to input that for them on their events calendar. Okay, so again, we could create an event, but just by putting that in there, we can look at the calendar over here. Here is today. We can see that that quiz is actually due tomorrow. This quiz on Friday, I've already selected and said I've done that. And I've also input a test for Monday. So again, this allows students to take their own notes. It is set up very similar to a Word document, so they can put different fonts, different sizes, different bolds. It also allows different templates, so they can have note-taking as a to-do list, lecture notes, essay outline, which is what I prefer. But again, students can choose that. They can add that in there. So again, they can upload the new notes. They can make their own notes. They can input tasks and reminders and have an events calendar. The ISTE that I'm going to have for this is 2.6a, foster a culture where students take ownership of their learning goals and outcomes. Again, that's going to, by giving them the tools to create some organized, systematic studying for themselves, they're taking control and ownership of their learning. And 4.2c, establish shared goals with educators, reflect on successes, and continually improving coaching and teaching practices. So if I gave this technology to the students in their first semester, I would want to share this information with my coworkers and peers so that the students could continue to use this throughout their 2-year program. So that would be what I would do to share that learning technology with my peers, and again, continue a creative learning environment for the student.